accidentally turned it off. We're running from the boys now because they have spotted us. We're taking the hobbits to Isengard.
We're taking the hobbits to Isengard.
Where? Isengard.
You know, we can't hide being loud.
No, we can't. Okay.
We're going to go that way and then that way.
We're going to go that way, and then we're going to go that way.
That'd be such a favorite kind of
I know.
Okay. Everyone wants to be like Mike.
No, they don't. They want to be like a hobbit.
That guy looks like a pro wrestler. Like Brock Lesnar, I think his name is.
I don't know who that is.
I don't know, but he looks
He's
like
a real freak monger.
Oh,
He nodded at me.
that was a freak.
Candy! This is the best place.
Where?
Isengard! Isengard! This is the best place in Isengard.
Holy. That's not nice. I need this.
I need.
Uh-oh.
Oh, this? You see this? Oh, like doo-doo right now? This right here. Oh. My pants are falling down. We're running. We're running. Walking. 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 Creepy guy. Oh, God.
You can have a video. I'm like, stop flirting.
You don't belong in Isengard. Not your hobbit. Oh, just a random woman.
Look for Pikachu. That guy was like, I was going to flirt.
If I could whistle, I would.
What do you want me to whistle?
I don't know.
Because he whistled a...
Hi, and then he did it. That's so weak. Oh.
I pissed myself. Need to go to the underwear aisle.
We're taking the hobbits to Isengard. To where? Isengard. To where? Isengard.
Oh, look at that scarf.
I gotta get a mirror so we can see ourselves. Look. I don't know where to go.
We can go ask our Walmart flirt.
Where's the mirror?
Where do you keep those?
Found one. Okay. Hi. We just escaped the creepies of Isengard. Da-na-na-na-na.
He's an ogre.
He's an orc.
Yeah.
Those are worse. They're like, but not really.
Well, he was not raw, but he was,
Like,
redneck. He goes, we probably have that on
oh yeah, I know we do. We're taking the hobbits to Isengard. Where? Isengard. Where?
to Isengard.
Da-na-na.
Everyone wants to
oh
be
my
like
God. Oh, my underwear.
No, Bob.
Don't tell me how to live my life.
Bob. Oh, we've been...
Oh! Run away! Through the maze! Through the maze! I think you that was a god-awful laugh. It's Isengard.
Candy. Oh, God, redneck.
We've made it to the Shire. Fuck.
I think I need to go hang out in front of you. It's hot in here.
It's hot in here. So put on ice.
Yeah, keep it hot, please.
Okay. We've hit the jackpot. I want.
This thing is $5. I'm getting this bitch.
something to drink, and the stupid boys have the freaking drink. Ew, somebody opened this and just left it in here. What the frick?
Oh, welcome to
What the frick?
Walmart. Or
Rivendell.
Sorry, I don't know where I'm at.
No, we're not in Isengard yet. We're in Rivendell. We're in Rivendell. Getting our best. Look at these weenies. These are supposed to be red. Oh. No.
It's like, just put down here.
Oh. Brown chicken, brown cow.
Brown chicken, brown cow. Look, this stuff is nasty. I don't like this flavor.
Oh my god, I love that. I like this kind.
Well,
That's nasty, but I like this kind.
I need my inhaler.
I need a drink.
Oh, I need a drink.
Oh, I need a drink.
I need some fish and chips.
Okay.
This is our safe spot. That they
Okay.
can find us, because they don't think they'll look in the face.
No, they don't, because we're not ready. Okay,
Too close.
too close. Sweet. To the cave. Da, 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 da.
If you think I'm pretty, you can see my mommy. Aw.
That's cute.
It's not little black dress.
That's cute. Okay, we can make. What a freak monkey. Oh, yeah.
To where?
To Isengard.
Actually, to
Rivendell.
Rivendell.
No, we're going to Isengard. This is just a stop along the way. Oh my god, look at that bra. I want this.
That guy was still staring.
And this. I don't want the underwear, because that is ugly.
Hey.
But
Oh, he didn't see me.
I would wear this.
I'd wear this. Look at that.
I would not wear that. I would wear the black one.
Be sexy.
But I really like this one. But I don't want the thong.
I'll have it. It's okay. You wear the bra, I'll wear the thong.
Okay.
I'll wear the thong.
Alright. Hold this real quick. Here, it's my hair.
Fix your hair.
Because I wear my hair back and forth. No. Isengard. Where? To Isengard. I have those. What? Those are hot. I don't like them. John's dad got them for me. I really want that bag of Sour Patch Kids. That thing was amazing. Let's go get it. Well, I gotta find a drink first. We're gonna have to sneak up on the buggy. Suicide mission.
Popper and Bella style. Hope I just don't get scared and throw your phone somewhere.
Oh god.
Nope. I'm so scared.
Oh, my butt. I'm looking at my butt quick.
Bella booty. Brown chicken, brown cow.
I didn't see the buggy. Hold on. Run and get it. Where's he? See the buggy?
Yes.
See the husbands. Buggy? Husbands.
I record you run. I'm already injured.
Wait. Wait, they're looking. I need them to turn their back or something. Yes.
They almost found us. We just want the buggy. We don't want them. Well, we do.
They take the buggy.
I don't know.
Son of a bitch. No, it's right there. I think they're really close to me.
No, they're not. They're like on the other side. See them?
This is going to be a long video. We're gonna have to chop a lot of boring parts out. How about we cut this part off and start another one?
Okay.